What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this video. I'm going to be talking to y'all about the products that I've been using on my hair. The things that y'all really want to know, the questions that y'all really want to know the answers to, man. So stay tuned. All right, so before we get started, of course, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to your boy's channel, man. I've been pushing out content left and right, and I'm really appreciating all the feedback that I've been getting, all the support I've been getting. Hope that continues, man. So here we go, man. Finally, answering some questions. So this big question, this is the main question I've been getting over the last couple of weeks since I've been pushing out so much content. What products are you using on your hair at this time to give you what your hair has right now? And the answer to this is very simple. First of all, make sure you have the understanding that no product give you waves. Products don't give you waves whatsoever. I'm a true believer of that. It's been proven that it doesn't, and it's that simple. The thing that gives you waves is your brush work. That's what really enhances, that's what really gives you waves. The brush work and actually having enough hair on your head to get a curl pattern, to get to your curl length, so to speak. What products do is basically they enhance your ability to get waves. They enhance the waves. They help your progress. That's pretty much all products do. But, in that sense of getting waves, besides the hair health, that's a whole nother story. That's a whole nother thing. So let me go ahead and show you my whole, list of things that I'm using on my hair right now. And if it helps you, I would recommend these items. So two of the biggest products that I've been using consistently are Diva hair butter. It's called Wet Wet. And it's made by someone named Diva Ingram. She makes a great product. I'm going to put her information down in the description below. This is actually what her product looks like right here. Let me see if I can get it to focus. There we go. There we go. So it's kind of, it got a little product on the outside of it. That's my bad from when I be traveling with it, going out of town in the past. But this is pretty much Diva's product. It's what it looks like. If let's just open it here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And I've been going through it too, so you really can't see it, because let me just go back. But Diva product is a great product, man. It smells good. When you just use it, it's a butter, so when you use it, it just evaporates and it just turns real solid, you know what I'm saying? You can put it in your hair. It smells good. It gives your hair that nice shine. I just like the product, and she's a B.O.B., Lakeisha, Diva, Diva Ingram is a great person on the wave pages. Like I said, I'll put information down in the description below about the product. About her website and everything like that. But you can really go there and find other products as well. This is really the main product that I use. Like, this is like my go-to. This is like my go-to product that I use in my hair. My second product that I use is going to be this product right here. It's actually called Legionsauce. Legionsauce is made by, I believe, a team of people, but mainly this guy named Nitty. Nitty's really good about how he puts different ingredients together, and he creates these oils that are really essential to everything when it comes to hair growth, when it comes to hair health, when it comes to nourishing your hair the proper way. I kind of use this in conjunction with my Diva butter Wet Wet. I kind of use it in conjunction with that. So yeah, that's a dope product as well. Shout out to definitely Diva and Nitty for for hooking me up constantly when I'm making orders to get these products. But it comes in a, bottle like this. And this is more of I think this is the bigger ounces of bottles that he has. And it comes with a dropper too, but I don't have it in this video. And then I have a lot of his oils, but this one smells good. He has all types of different types of oils, man. It's crazy. And different types, meaning like you can mix and match the ingredients. That was what really struck me with Legion sauce, was that you can put this product and then you could take this ingredients and mix it with this fragrance and take it with this fragrance and mix it with this ingredient. I thought that was a cool thing to do, and you can do that on his website, which I have down in the description below as well. But these are really the only two products that I'm putting in my hair right now. I'm not putting anything else in my hair. There are other dope products out there as of right now. And it's not that they're not great or anything and why I'm not using them. It's just that I tend to try to minimize and keep it very simple on what I use in my hair. A lot of times I don't really want to trick my hair too much. I kind of want to keep consistency. Like I say, it's always about keeping it simple and keeping it consistent. So, you have other products out there, like I think Royal, Royal has some great products, Warrior products, PB, PB the GOAT. I've tried his products before when it came to his butters, and I haven't tried his moisturizer, I don't believe, but I have, and I haven't tried his oil yet. And I'm a big believer in oils. Like I love using oils on my hair. I'm medium porosity, so my hair can really take it, pretty much anything. But using oils always give me the best benefits when it comes to like really getting down to my scalp and stuff. I may try, PB's oil in the future, or his moisturizer. I may do one of those. I've had his butters before, and this butter was really good. I liked his butter. I had the original one. I know in the past I've had HD Waves. HD Waves is a great product to use. He had a product, I forgot the name of it, man, but it smelled like Sprite. It was really dope. Let me tell y'all too about some other things that I'm using, I guess can help when it comes to product. So for some reason, this product right here is a shampoo. Now this is a shampoo that I use. This is pretty much, let's see if I can get it to focus. There we go. This is pretty much organics. This is organics, sulfate free. So there's no sulfurs in it, and it is thick and full biotin and I ain't even gonna try to say this word. I can't say words sometimes. I don't know. Don't care. Nonetheless, man, it's organics. It's in the purple bottle. I've always went back to organics when it came to using shampoos and conditioners. I mean, I have another shampoo that I use that I use consistently, and it's on a website, and you got to order. I forgot the name of it. It's not like your regular shelf type of thing to buy, but it's expensive. My girl actually put me on to it. But organics is usually the shampoo I always revert right back to, because one of the things I love about it is that it's cheap. You can get it in Target, Walmart, almost any beauty store. You ain't got to worry about doing too much or anything. And they have a variety of these type of shampoos, man. Like they got shampoos that do all type of different stuff for your hair. So this is another product that I would recommend and that I'm using on my hair. And that's pretty much it, man. Oh, and I can't forget the other products that I use. So these are two sets of products that I use right here. And you may think I'm crazy. Some people gonna look at me and be like, man, ain't nobody about to use no plastic bag. But I use an actual Ziploc plastic bag on my hair to lay my hair down, but it also helps with shine. I put a little of my Legionsauce oil on the bag. I rub it on the bag, and then I like rub it in my hair. I do stuff like that all the time, man. It's crazy. And I also have the lay down. The lay down, I'll put that information down in the description below. There's just some hand mitts that you put on, and this part right here is plastic. Like this right here is plastic. So basically all I'm doing is just rubbing my hair and like laying it down after I got a good brush session in, which is really, really smart. Really something that you should do. But it's really thick. So when I don't use this, I use a light Ziploc bag because it's easier for me to use, man. So basically I'm using So in my rotation, let's say I'm washing my hair. I wash my hair, washing it with the organic shampoo. I'm gonna do a washing style, lay that down. I'm gonna go get a haircut, get lined up, get a haircut, boom. I'm taking my product with me to the barbershop. My product coming with me to the barbershop. So my product coming with me to the barbershop for a reason, so I can just like go ahead and unrag back up or whatever, and pretty much like put product in my hair. And I'm putting the Divas wet from Diva butter, putting that in my hair first. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm getting a good brush session in. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm gonna take about maybe 3 to 4 drops of the legionsauce, and I'm gonna put that right in my crown. Like I'm gonna put the like 3 or 4 drops of legionsauce in my crown. And then I'm gonna take like 4 drops and put like right here on my top, my left, and my right, and my back. And I'm gonna put those drops in. And then I'm gonna get another brush session in. Then from there, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the plastic bag or the lay downs. Just gonna rub that in for about a good 10, 15 minutes, boom, 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 just to lay my hair down real good. And then I'm gonna rag back up, simple as that. And of course, the rags that I'm using, boom. Durags, I'm always gonna be using the best of the best, the highest quality of Durags. Highest quality Durags right here. This is Imperial Durag. I'll put that information down in the description as well. They have some dope, silky Durags, man, so I highly recommend them. I'm always ragged up with the best of the best, you feel me? But just coming out, you know, you probably can't see that, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm always gonna try to stay ragged up. I'm always gonna try to stay laid. That's my whole spiel. That's my whole thing that I wanna do. I wanna stay laid, you feel me? So, other than that, man, that's pretty much it. You got any more additional questions? Just like this was a question that was being answered into a video, just hit me up, man. You know, I try to make sure that I'm pushing out content and answering the questions with content. I mean, I think that's the easiest way to make content, is to hear what the people are, you know, are wanting. You know, what do they want to hear? What do they want to know? You know, and then just answer it. You know what I'm saying? Right here. Make sure you add that notification bell onto your subscription with me. That makes sure that you, anytime that I push out content, you'll definitely get a notification to you. Other than that, man, it is your boy HB3. I'm out of here.